Hello everyone, welcome back to EVS class of class 5th. I am Bhagyashree Gupta is here to explain lesson 7 and the chapter name is Super Senses in Animals. So let's start. In this chapter, I will explain about the following topics: animal sense, hearing, sight, smell, touch and taste. Our five senses help us to discover the world around us and communicate with others. We see, hear, feel, taste and smell. Students, we have five sense organs. With the help of these five sense organs, we can know that what is happening around us. We see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, we smell with our nose, we taste with our tongue, and we feel with our skin or hand. Eyes, ears, tongue, taste, and skin are the five sense organs. Sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste are the five senses. Like us, most animals also have five senses. All animals have their own way of sensing. Many of them have senses very different from ours. Animals also have five sense organs like humans. Animal senses the things according to their habits and habitats. Some animals have sharper sight, some have a keener smell, while some others have a super sensitive touch and some hearing. Students, most of the animals sense the things very minutely. Their way of sensing is more developed than humans. Some animals have a sharper sight like owl, eagle, penguin. Some animals have keener smell like dog, tiger, ant. Some animals have super sensitive hearing power like penguin, elephant, whale, dolphin. As you can see in the picture that all the sense organs are connected with brain with the help of nerves. Animal sense. Animals use their senses mainly to find food and protect themselves from enemies. Different animals have different habits. Some are active during the day while others at night. Animals use their sense to find out food and to protect themselves from enemies. Some animals are depend on plants and plants product. Some animals are depend on flesh and some animals are depend on both plants as well as flesh. Depending upon their habits and habitats, one or two senses are better developed in some animals. Hearing. Bats are active at night. They have poor eyesight but very unusual sense of hearing. They hunt at night and squeak as they fly. Squeak is the sound of bat. Bats find their way in complete darkness. Bats are the only flying mammal. Mammals are animals that give birth to live babies, not eggs, and feeds its young on milk from its own body. Bats clean themselves like cats. Bats are known as nocturnal animals because they are active at night. The squeaking sound, which is produced when it strikes the object, bounces off and comes back to the bat, helping it to identify where the food is. This is a biological sonar system called echolocation. Whales and dolphins make sounds called songs. Whales and dolphins can tell the location, size, direction, and even the physical nature of an object. Students, to communicate to one another, whales and dolphins make sounds called songs. Dolphin is the common name of aquatic mammals. Dolphins like to blow bubbles in the water. They are chatting animals too. They make a variety of sounds including whistles, clicks, squeaks, barks, groans, and yelp. Dolphins are intelligent like human beings. Whales are generally more adept at hearing low frequency sounds. Elephants also have much stronger sense of hearing than we do. They can detect very low sounds. They also use their trunk and feet to hear. Elephants have stronger sense of hearing. They can hear through trunk and feet. They can feel the vibration by their feet. On average, an elephant can hear another elephant's call at 4 km away. Elephants can detect water and rain from miles away. Elephants are the largest land animal on the earth. They have the best sense of smell in the animal kingdom and can recognize different types of human voice. A tiger's sense of hearing is very sharp. They can make out the slightest sound made by an animal moving on the grass. The tiger's sense of hearing is the most acute all its senses and is mainly used for hunting. Tigers can hear the slightest sound made by an animal moving on the grass. Dogs can hear sounds beyond the range that humans can hear. Dogs have a keen sense of hearing. In fact, they are capable of hearing sounds 4 times further away than the human ear can discern. Their ears are also better designed to gather more available sound waves. They have 15 different muscles that move their ears in all directions. Pigeons can hear sounds at exceptionally low frequencies, and this helps to explain their exceptional sense of direction. Pigeons have excellent hearing abilities. They can detect sounds at far lower frequencies than humans are able to, and can thus hear distant storms and volcanoes. Sight. Birds have a sharper vision than other animals. Our eyes can only detect a fraction of the color that birds can see. Vision is the most important sense for birds. Since good eyesight is essential for safe flight. Birds are much better than humans at detecting differences between two similar colors. Birds of prey like eagles have keen eyes. They can see the objects from a much greater distance than humans do. Eagles have a highly developed sense of sight which allows them to easily spot prey. Eagles can see things from 20 feet away that we can only see from 5 feet away. We call people with good vision eagle eyed. They see ultraviolet light which humans cannot see with normal eyes. Nocturnal animals like owls have a good eyesight. They have big eyes to catch more light. This helps them find food. Owls' eyes face directly forward, giving them incredible vision. Their large eyes can't move or roll like humans' eyes can. Without moving their bodies, owl can see 270 degrees. Cats have a special layer at the back of their eyes. This helps them pick up the faintest of light and see better in dark. Cats have special layer in the eyes that glows. Cats are not completely color blind, but their color vision is limited. This special layer helps the cat to see in the dark. Penguins have a clear vision underwater. Students, a penguin's eyes are adapted to see clearly both in air and underwater. Their strong eye muscles change the shape of their eyes lens to create a sharp, clear image both on land and in water. Fish can see in air and water at the same time. Each is divided by flaps, so there is one opening in the air and one in the water. Smell. Bloodhounds have an excellent sense of smell. They can distinguish between different human odors. They can follow a scent left long before. Students, you must have heard of sniffer dogs used by police and other detectives to find thieves. Bloodhounds are a type of dog who have excellent sense of smell. They can follow a scent which is left long before. Like this, they track missing children, escaped prisoners, and criminals. Most of the families have a dog as a pet animal because dogs keep our house safe from strangers. If they saw any stranger or strange noise, they will start barking. Ants too have a well developed sense of smell. Pangolins are scaly anteaters are animals with a very good sense of smell. They use it to find insects for food. Ants smell with their antennae. When ants move, they release a chemical compound that is very similar to those emitted by rotting food. Rest of the ants follow these chemical smell. Tigers have their own areas. They mark their areas with their urine. Tigers live in forests which may cover several kilometers. It is strange but fact that tigers mark their areas with their urine. They can come to know if there is another tiger in their area by the smell of the urine. Touch and taste. Snakes do not have external ears. They rely on their sense of touch and smell. Snakes slither along the ground on their bellies, smelling with their tongues. Snakes have eyes, but they do not see well. Generally, they can see shapes but not details altogether. You can say they have poor eyesight. They cannot hear. They don't have external ears but fully formed inner ear structure but no eardrum. Snakes slither on the ground with the help of bellies. They don't taste things like we do, but they have a sensory organ on the roof of their mouth, which is what their tongue flicks sends the scent taste signal to. They find their prey by feeling the vibration caused on the ground by the movement of their prey. Snakes feel vibration which is made by their prey. Some snakes have a special sense that helps them to detect minute change in temperature. Nowadays, study shows that sound waves cause vibration in a snake's skull that are then heard by the inner ear. Cockroach and cricket have hairs on their bodies which can pick up the faintest change in their environment. Students, you cannot see the hairs of cockroach body, but hairs on their feet are visible. With the help of their hairs, cockroach can feel the slight change in environment. Cockroach can feel the push of air from your foot as you move after they run away. They are good runners. They like to live in dark and damp place. A cat uses its whiskers to gather information around it. Butterfly walks on the material to find out if it is edible. A cat uses its whisker to gather information from around it as humans use their sense organ to gather information from surroundings. Whiskers are the long hairs that grow near the mouth and nose. Butterfly and bees are use their feet to taste their food. They walk over food to check that foods are eatable or not. A tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense the movement of vibration in air. They help the tiger to move in the dark and find its prey. Deer have a great sense of hearing and smell. They have a lot of muscles attached to their ears, which allow them to turn their ears in any direction without moving their heads. Deer can hear higher frequencies of sound than humans. Deer have an excellent sense of smell, which allows them to detect predators from a long distance. Deer use their nose as a primary defense against predators. In fact, a deer's nose functions better than bloodhound's nose. When a deer breathes, it automatically detects various smells in the air, including human scent. A monarch butterfly's special sense is its antennae. They are highly sensitive to smell and can pick up traces of chemicals that human nose cannot detect. Butterflies don't have noses or ears, but they have 6 feet that do quite a lot of sensory work for them. Students, it was explanation part of lesson 7. Thank you. Mask up. Stay safe.